everyone. So today I'm going to be unboxing my BTS Map of the Soul Persona album. I was so excited to get this. I got it today and I ended up getting version 1. There are 4 different versions and honestly I kind of forgot which version was which and I just kind of panicked and picked one. So I ended up going for version 1. So I'm going to open it up and see what photo card I got. And yeah, so let's get started. I really love the packaging of this. It's like that soft touch feeling and it's got this really cool kind of gloss print to the front of it. And yeah, so let's open it up. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the CD. I really like how pretty and simple it is. It's just so nice and minimal. And then this is the poster. I'm going to show this in a minute. I'll insert a clip of what this looks like because it's a little bit too large for me to unfold right now, so I will show that now. And this is the booklet here. It just kind of comes out of the sleeve like that, and I love this little blue pop of color. It's so cute. All right, so I'm going to move that to the side. And this is the album. So, again, it has that soft touch feeling. I really like that. And I'm going to open it up and see what I got. Oh, I'm so nervous. Okay, so, oh my god, okay, so the first thing I got here, this is a photo card, or no, it's actually the postcard. And oh my gosh, I got these. So this is the postcard that I got. It's really cute, and on the back it has, what's that say? I want to eat grapes. So that is the postcard, really cute. I love that they started doing postcards as well, so yeah, love that. And this is just the little QR code. You actually get points for this from ibighit.com, so you can use that to get your points. Then there is the notes booklet. I love the color of this one, so I'll open this up. And if you want to read it, you can pause it and see all the pages. So I'm just going to flip through it really quickly. And that is it for the notes. Next is the photo card. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see it. So this is what it looks like. Again, it has that same kind of pink color with the gloss on the back. And it is, oh my gosh, it's Jungkook. I got Jungkook. So, okay, I really love all of them no matter what, but I really wanted Jimin, but I don't care. I love these so much. So those are my 2 kind of like photo cards and postcard. Then there is this. I think this is just, honestly, I don't know what this is, but that's okay. Then I love this so much. This is like a little film strip that they have. It's so cute. I think these are the same for all of them. And that's what that one looks like up close. Overall, I think that's such a really cool item, and I love that they included that. And the last thing is this kind of like acrylic stand, kind of, it's like a sticker stand. So it's got this little adhesive here that you can peel back and like stick it onto something. Something like this also came in the last album that I bought, and I just think these are so cute. I actually like to put these on my monitor, so they sit just right on top of my monitor, and it's so cute. So yeah, love that. And I'll go through the photo album book, and here it is. So there's J-Hope, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them all so much. Oh, these are my favorite pictures of Jimin. It's so, oh my god. And V, oh, his blue hair looks so good. Oh my god. Yoongi with his camera. I'm dyeing my hair gray again. I can't wait. I'm dyeing my hair gray again. And then Jin, oh my god, I love that cardigan. I swear I have that cardigan. Well, maybe not. I have a Target version, but oh, Namjoon, he's so cute. Oh, I love this concept. Now, to be honest, I kind of forgot. Oh my god, he's got cookies. I forgot which version was which, and I was just kind of like in Target picking one, and I was like, I'll just go with this one because it was like the lightest pink, and I love that they're all the albums are pink because it's like my favorite color, but it was like so hard to choose which one. And I just kind of panicked and picked one, so I ended up getting the version 1, and then this is the track list of all the songs. And then back here, there is all of the lyrics and all of the credits for all of these songs. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through all of that, but so far I've listened to the whole album and I love it so much. Like at first there were some songs that was kind of like, wow, this is a little bit different, but I don't know. Overall, I really love it. The first listen through is always so much fun because like you get to hear the songs for like the very first time, and it's so weird. But now that I've had a chance to like listen to all of them, I love so many of them. I really love Microcosmos. I just love that one. It's so beautiful. I like Jamais Vu, and Make It Right was so different, but I love that one. I think that's the one that they did with Ed Sheeran. yeah, it was produced by Ed Sheeran, so overall I'm just so excited. The music is so good and I can't wait to see all the performances. I can't wait to see, is there going to be another music video or not? I don't know, but I'm so excited, and that is it for my unboxing of my Map of the Soul Persona version 1, and those were my photo cards. From Love Yourself Tier, I ended up getting one of the lenticular photo cards, and I was just so excited. I was hoping I would get something special this time, but I think that my luck has run out. But overall, I'm so happy with these. I think this is such a beautiful set. Everything looks so cute, and yeah, so that is it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.